Yo, check the new nightmare from the ward, the zombie nurse. Forget bedside manner. Her only prescription is a swift amputation. This ain't just a walker, it's a 30K low-poly beast dressed to kill. Clean, mean, and ready for your game. She's got personality. Blendshapes serve a full range of murderous moods, from a hungry scowl to a manic grin. Her therapy is your agony. Fully rigged with a UE4 skeleton so you can easily retarget any animation from the UE4 Marketplace mannequin. She comes with all the basics: idle, walk, run, jump, and a brutal attack with a sharp medical instrument. She's also modular with separate mesh parts so you can mix and match to create unique horrors from the zombie pack. Here's the best part. Grab her and you get a second model from the pack for free. Details are in the description. Don't sleep on this. The zombie nurse isn't taking temperatures, she's taking names. Admit her to your game today.